Ladies and gentlemen, hello. Oh, I hope you guys are doing good. Alright, this should be easy, right? Hopefully, there's no way that it's just bullshit hard. Okay? I'm the big dog, and I gotta do big dog daddy shit. If that means I gotta shit on the floor, then by golly, big dog daddy gotta do what big dog daddy gotta do, okay? You watch out. This big bird flying through! He's so happy. Festival's fun to play with friends. With the boys, with the fellas. The dark chalice are like so awesome, so whoever like uses them, I love ya. Alright? It's helpful for like everyone. It gives like a huge fucking fighting chance. And this guy fucks dudes! Bumbleweedle. Is that his name? No. Don't do it to me! No, you could just stay away. Don't do it to me, please. I don't even gotta get first. What the hell am I doing, boy? Get me in there! Yeah. Yeah, nice. Nice try. Daddy bird! That's what sucks, dude. Like, I know I can beat them, but it's just there's a whole clusterfuck of everyone wanting to fuck me. Oh, I don't like that. That's kind of gay. Unless it's bro. It's not gay. Shy guys have a superpower with women. No, me don't. Shut up. My TikTok literally is just loading up with a bunch of fucking shit about me being a baddie. And then it says I'm in group 7, and then it says I'm black. I don't know what's going on with my For You page. Last thing I need is any form of self-confidence. I need all my confidence right here for this fucking moment. You fucking bitch. Alright, we got it. Also, I'm a very vengeful fucking person, dude. If I see someone that's using an item, like, in their hand, like if it's a rocket, or especially the fucking slicer, dude, I'm going to fucking remember that person's name and target that fucking person. Yeah, okay, you can have it, alright. Took my ring. Get the hell out of my way! Bitch! Bitch! It's my time! I got something for you. Okay, never mind. Don't hit me. Ugh! God, I fucking hate being beautiful! Why does this happen? I get fucking green cum on me, and then I get that fuck-ass balloon ghost. Yep, that's my fault. Except that was a strat on purpose, so I can get a fucking laser. Okay. Oh my god, don't drill me. Don't drill me. Okay. Hey, you know what? Fuck all your items. That's awesome. That's awesome. I got it. I got it. Okay. We're in it. We're in it. We're in it. We're in it! We're in it, baby! Ah! Ah! No! We got it. Second's cool. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. This is it. Why? Why? It's edging me. Stop. Oh, we got a horde. Yeah, you're fucking gay! You know, as a kid I used to think the same thing too, but now I don't like suits as much. So gay! Oh my god, I fucking hate this game! Why is there just drills? Why? Why is there just drills? I'm last fucking place, dude. Dude, oh my god. Look at this fuck-ass robot. That's fucking badass, dude. I have a lot of projects that I want to do in my Minecraft world. That's what I've been playing a lot. And I've been taking a huge break from everything, and it's nice. It's calm, it's relaxing, it's fun. But I just am not sure if people would like to see me play Minecraft. I don't think I'm too interesting. Well, I don't think I'm interested in general. I have a very calm life. I don't do shit. Lego Master, come on. No, I wanted to give us. Oh, I wanted to like him. Lego Master is fucking dope name. This is probably the best map, song-wise. I love the song. It's so awesome. Especially fucking like for lap 3. Oh, the soundtrack just gets better with the remix, dude. It's fucking there's a little white right there, you know? How good it is. Music's so good, you just fucking pretty nice. Yeah! Get the fuck out of my way, boy! No! I made it in front of time! Legend, motherfucker! Oh. Good. Give it. Give it. Yes!
Don't get too strong or I'll be out of a job.
What? There's more? Are you kidding me? There's legend rewards? Oh my god. Oh my god. Drrr. Ooh. Okay. It's kind of sick. It's kind of fucking fire. You know, I think that was kind of worth the struggle. What's annoying? I think the goat horn is. Let him know the alpha's coming. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, let him know the fucking, where is it? Let him know the fucking alpha's coming. 500? Oh my god. I'm a goddamn legend. It's, my only problem is whenever they drop a clusterfuck of everything on me. Like last second. Alright. You guys, subscribe, follow. Like, eat food, and have a good day. Alright? And you look nice. Goodbye. I'm over. I'm done. Yeah! You heard Daddy. Daddy Bird told you, bitch. You bald McNosey fuck.